Hello, my name is Steve Bowler, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at Frame Relay. In particular, within Frame Relay we're going to be showing you how to create a Frame Relay switch using a Cisco router. In this network topology we have router 1 and router 2, which are going to be our edge routers, and then in between router 1 and router 2 we're going to use another Cisco router to act as the Frame Relay switch. And so this device is going to be capable of switching DLCs based on the incoming DLCs into the switch, and then it's going to switch it to the correct outgoing interface and DLC provided. So again, in this lab we have router 1, which is going to be using DLC 102 to connect to the Frame Relay switch, and then we also have router 2, which is going to be using DLC 201 to connect to the Frame Relay switch. Looking at our topology summary, the Frame Relay switch is going to be using serial 00 to connect to router 1, and we'll go ahead and put this down so we remember. And then it's also going to be using serial 01 to connect to router 2. On the edge devices, router 1 and 2, they are both going to be using their serial 00 interfaces. So that's pretty easy to remember. The only thing we need to remember in this lab for interfaces is the Frame Relay switch. Now the IP addressing we're going to be using, I'll go ahead and create a subnet. We'll just use the 192.168.12.0/24 subnet and network range. Router 1 is going to be the .1, and then we will have router 2 use the .2 IP address within the 12 network. Okay, so let's get started. We'll go into router 1 and get it configured first. We'll set up the interface going to the Frame Relay switch. So we'll do this. We're already under global configuration mode. We'll go under interface serial 00, which is router 1's connection to the Frame Relay switch. And we'll do the command encapsulation frame relay, and this specifies frame relay encapsulation on the interface. So then what we're going to do next, we can specify an IP address. We'll give it the 192.168.12.1 IP with the /24 subnet mask. And then also we're going to not be using frame relay, our inverse ARP I should say, with frame relay, so we'll do the no frame relay inverse ARP command to disable inverse ARP on the interface.